we go. Takeoff is permitted. Oh.
Home point updated.
Good. Okay, let's go up. We've been practicing. There we are. And then there's the 8. Oh, we got the whole thing in. It's weird. You know, it really is. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. We're at 94 feet. Can we do 100? 109. Our highest one together. Those rain clouds we've been trying to stay away from? Look at that. Look at how dark it is. That's crazy. That's the school. Right there. That's the school. And you can see the mine over there. And back to us. Wave. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye.
Have a good day.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.